Hello class, today we will discuss this isometric view problem. This is the given view class, given two views, right hand side view and front view. The origin is here, and for this view origin is here. That means class, front view we will draw on left plane and right hand side view we will draw on right plane. So class, total length is 80 mm, total width is 60 mm and total height is 90 mm. So class, first we will draw a cuboid, width 60 mm, width 60 mm, length 80 mm and height is 90 mm. Okay, after that class we will analyze this given two views. So now class C, start with this non-isoline. So class, in front view this non-isoline projection in side view is this line, this line, this line. All these lines are non-isoline projection in side view, and that hidden part in front view is the projection of this cut slot at a depth of 30. Okay, after that class, this continuous object line in side view is the projection of this corner point at a height of 50, this continuous object line. After that, C class, there is a hidden line in between the 30 mm thickness. That hidden line is the projection of this semicircle of front view. Okay, after that class, C, outside this hidden line there is object line class, both side. So this object line is the projection of class this vertical line in front view. This is the projection of, okay, so this edge is because of this point, this solid edge is visible, okay, both side of the hidden line because of this edge. And class, from where this non-isoline is intersecting with vertical line, again class there is edge is creating, and that edge is nothing but this edge. Okay, so here class we will start our drawing with this height. Okay, or we can first we will draw class this height 50 mm. So class, this height 50 mm class is visible in right plane. So class, here we will draw a 50 mm projection. So class, first take projection of 30 mm width. So it is class 15 and 30. Okay, now class, this 30 is class this 30 line. Now class, extend endpoint of 30 vertical of 50 mm. Now class, extend these two endpoint vertical of 50 mm. Okay. Similarly class, extend this point 50 mm. And now join. Okay, so class, these two endpoints is the starting point of non-isoline, this non-isoline. So this is the starting point. Now class, we need to find out the end point of the non-isoline. This is but nothing but class the top surface of the object, which have a dimension of 30 mm. This is 30 mm, and class C, total is 60. This is 8. 60 minus 8 is class how much? 52. So this remaining distance is class how much? 26, 26. Okay, so class here in top view we will draw a box 26 because class that 26 dimension is visible in side view. So in side plane class we will measure 26 and 30 mm is visible in front plane. So in front plane we will measure 30 mm. So 30, 26. Then first mark class 26 projection. Similarly class from this side 26, 26 both side. Now class measure 30 mm. Similarly class from this side measure 30 mm. Now complete the box. This should be class 26. Okay, now class join this point and join class this point. Now class this is the top plane 30, 26, 8 gap, then again 26, 26, 8 gap, 26, 30, 30. Okay. Now class take here again projection of height 50 mm. Okay, this is the projection of 50 mm height, and class draw a slope of non-isoline light in shade. Slope of non-isoline light in shade. Okay. Now class from this point and this point class draw a projection of non-isoline slope light in shade. So class I don't have roller scale, so I will just take projection here. Okay, so now class draw projection. Okay, so class these are the projection. Okay, non-isoline projection. Now class we need to find out this depth. Okay, this depth 30 mm depth. Okay, so now class, listen carefully class. If you are taking class this point, corner point, as a depth, then class you have, suppose class I am choosing this corner point as a for marking the depth of 30 mm. Then class, from here I will draw a vertical 30 mm. Then class I will extend this point in front side parallel with this iso axis. Okay, and will bisect this non-iso line projection. If I am choosing class this corner point, then from here I will draw a 30 mm vertical downward. Then I will extend front side parallel with this axis and I will bisect this iso line. So class, whatever the corner point you are choosing, on that then on same non-isolant projection class you will mark the intersection point. Suppose class I am choosing this point as my depth. Okay, so from here major 30 mm depth. Now class extend this point parallel with this axis and see here it is bisecting at this point. Don't mark class on that axis, then you will get class wrong projection. If you are measuring from this point, then mark projection on that line. If you are measuring from this corner point, then mark projection on this line. So right now it is this point. This point is nothing but plus this point. Okay, this point is your this point. Now plus join okay. Now plus dark this slope, then plus dark this part. Okay, after it plus we need to find out this point. Okay, so this point is nothing but class, from the center of the circle we will extend then the line which will bisect the non-iso, and then we will get this point. So now class, this is first find out the center point. So it is class 80 mm. Okay, half of 80 is class okay. Then again class half of okay, then class join this point. So now class see where this vertical line bisect the non-iso line projection, just mark that point. Okay, so this point is nothing but class this point. Okay, so now class dark this much line. Okay, now class that distance is how much class? 15 15 both side. Total length is 60, this is 30, so remaining is 15 15. Now class, from here measure 15 mm. Similarly class, from here measure 15 mm and dark. Okay, now class you got these 2 points. This point is this point, this corner point is your this point, and this point is your this point, and this end point is your this point. Okay, now class join this point with this corner point. Similarly, class, join this end point with this corner point. Okay. Now class, complete the edges. So now from this corner point class, we will draw vertical edge. From this point class, draw an edge parallel with isoaxis. And class, from this point, draw vertical edge. Okay. Now class, we will draw this semicircle part. Okay. So now class, we know class, for semicircle, to draw a semicircular part in isometric class, we need to draw a ellipse. For ellipse part class, we need to draw a rhombus equal to the dimension of diameter of the circle. So here class, the diameter of the circle is 60. So we will draw a rhombus of 60. Let's mark point 30. This is 30. Class, this point is your 30. From here class, draw a vertical line, light in shade, and class, from here draw a vertical line, light in shade. Then class, measure compass equal to 30 and cut class on that line. Then class, join this point, light and shade. So class, this is your rhombus of 60 dimension. Now class, join longer diagonal. This is the longer diagonal of the rhombus. Then class, from this, the shorter diagonal corner point, from that point class, join midpoint of this side. So this is the midpoint class, join midpoint. Okay. Now class, we will draw a rhombus, a semicircle part. So now class, consider this much as center point and this is your radius. Okay, so this is your quarter circle part class. Now class, from this point, see class, this is your quarter circle. This is your quarter circle, and from the topmost point of the quarter circle class, there is a object line. So now class, from this topmost point of the quarter circle, join object line. Okay, and class, complete this remaining object. Okay. Now class, see, in this side view, there is a continuous object line of 15 mm. So now class, from this point, draw a 15 mm line parallel with this right plane axis. First I will draw a vertical. Okay. Okay. So this is class. This rectangle box is class. This rectangle box, and this edge is your this edge. Okay. Now class C, in front view, from this we have to draw another half quarter circle but at a distance of 15 mm. Okay, so that's why class we will shift this center point 15 mm towards right, parallel with this axis. So class shift this point 15 mm then class make the compass equal to this much center, and now class from here draw another quarter circle. Now class join. Okay, this is class your part. Now class from this corner point draw a edge parallel with right plane axis. So class this is your required solution. Okay, and this is class your origin position, and this is your front side. So class draw arrow. Okay, hope class you understood this part. Thank you.